Solo hiking doesn't change how hard the trail is. It exponentially changes the consequences of a simple mistake. When you hike with friends, a twisted ankle is an inconvenience. When you hike alone, it is a survival scenario. This is the redundancy gap. You are the navigator, the first responder, and the decision maker all at once. Most beginners rely on their phone as a safety net. This is dangerous. Cold weather drains batteries, screens shatter, and signal bars are often inaccurate in valleys. Never let a digital device determine your physical safety. To mitigate this, follow the 15-minute rule for your first 3 solo hikes. Choose a trail popular enough that you see another human at least every 15 minutes. This creates a natural safety net without needing a signal. Psychologically, solo hiking requires managing decision fatigue. In a group, you share the mental load of navigation. Alone, every fork in the trail and every weather change requires your focused energy. If you are unsure, turn around immediately. Groups often suffer from summit fever and push too far. As a solo hiker, you have the superpower of turning back the moment you feel uncomfortable without judgment. Before leaving, you must establish a ghost protocol. This isn't just telling someone where you are going. It involves setting a specific panic time, the exact hour your contact calls 911 if you haven't checked in. Regarding gear, avoid the survivalist trap. You don't need a machete. You need warmth. If you stop moving due to injury, hypothermia is your biggest threat. Always pack 1 extra insulating layer more than you think you need. Here is your go/no-go checklist. If you cannot answer yes to all 3, join a group or pick an easier trail. Solo hiking is rewarding, but only when the risk is calculated, not ignored. Start on busy trails, set your panic time, and go.